changing an array of true and false answers to a hex value Python. I have a list of true and false answers like this. I want to give true a value of 1 and false a value of 0 and then convert that overall value to hexadecimal. How would I go about doing that? Could I look at each value in turn in the list, and if it equals true, change that value to a 1, and if it's false, change the value to a 0, or would there be an easier way to change the entire list straight to hex? Edit. Here's the full code on pastebin, this URL. Thanks.
No need for a two-steps process if you use reduce, assuming MSB is at left as usual. Displaying. Output.
If you want to combine a series of Boolean values into one value as a bit field, you could do something like this.
This should do it.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.